Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jason with the National Weather Service. We're going to get started here with our weekly briefing for Thursday, May 28th. And so for the highlights here, we got chances for showers and thunderstorms to continue into the first half of the weekend. We already had some storms out there today, which I'll show you here in a second. Some of those by this afternoon, though, could become strong to severe with damaging winds, so we're going to be watching out for that. Cold front's going to sweep through on Friday and Saturday with additional chances for showers and thunderstorms. Doesn't look like a washout for everybody on Saturday, and I'll show you that too. Widespread severe weather is not anticipated, which is good news as we're still in late May. So anytime we can get these systems through with a little bit of rain and not much severe weather, we'll take it. So some dry and sunny weather expected Sunday into the first half of next week, and so that'll be a welcome sight too. I know we've had some pretty dreary conditions, but it'll be nice to see the sun starting Sunday into next week. So as we look at the current conditions, this was taken maybe an hour ago, so some of the showers that you see and even the thunderstorms along the I-85 corridor, those have progressed a little further to the east, kind of east of eastern Atlanta Metro now is where those showers and thunderstorms are, and they're continuing to progress east, mainly just scattered activity right now. So nothing too bad out there. And then to the north over North Georgia along the I-75 corridor, now progressing east of there, just some showers. So we did issue a couple significant weather advisories, but that's about it for these storms. Hasn't been all that impressive. Satellite imagery to the right there shows the extensive cloud cover over North Georgia. So that's why we only have showers up there, because we weren't able to get any real sun going or any of the energy we need for thunderstorms. But to the south, you can see some breaks in the clouds, and so with those breaks, we're going to get more energy and more fuel for storms coming up later on this afternoon. So we'll be watching for those for sure. So the setup for today is a low pressure system to the west. Anytime we have low to the west, we'll have pretty good chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Generally just going to be scattered today. The moisture is going to be a little bit limited, and so that's why it's not going to be a more widespread event for us. But with the low to our west and the good lift and energy, we will see scattered activity, and again, some of those storms could be strong to severe. And that's represented in our Storm Prediction Center outlook. Right now, marginal risk for the whole area, so they didn't really differentiate anything with this particular system. Just put a marginal risk 1 out of 5 for strong to severe thunderstorms possible across the entire area. Thunderstorms will be possible late morning through the evening. So we've already seen the thunderstorms this morning, and we're going to continue that right through this afternoon and evening. Primary hazards, damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour possible, frequent lightning, and brief periods of heavy rain. Those are all possible with the stronger storms. I anticipate we'll be issuing mostly significant weather advisories as this activity ramps up this afternoon. But again, we could see some isolated severe storms as well for this afternoon and evening. Then we're looking at, this is the model loop of what it's showing happening through this afternoon, and you can see it's pretty much scattered. It looks like a summertime environment is what it looks like. So scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of the storms could be strong to severe, but you don't really see anything widespread at all. And as we get into midday, that's when the activity really ramps up, but and then into the evening, of course. But as we get into late evening, around that 1, 2 a.m., activity should start to wane and not see all that much activity into the overnight period. So that's what we're going to be watching out for there. Friday, Saturday, that's when we're going to have the front coming through. Approaching cold front will pass through the area on Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible across the area Friday and Saturday. And you can kind of see that dual front structure with one front coming through and then another front behind it over Indiana, Ohio. And so we're going to be looking at both of those systems coming in, increasing the rain chances across the area. We do have some likely rain chances approaching from the southwest. For the most part, it'll be just scattered showers and thunderstorms as this front comes through. We'll be watching it, though. A lot of times as the fronts come through, the rain chances will increase a little bit, so we may ramp up to likely over a larger area as the forecast draws near. So just be looking out for that. As far as the severe potential goes, not looking at much at all. They're just going general thunder right now for day 2, which is Friday, across the entire area. So just maybe some significant weather advisories with this activity, but for the most part, we're just going to be looking at showers, thunderstorms, and maybe some heavy rain coming out of this. Same thing for Saturday, and remember what I told you, it's not going to be an entire washout for Saturday, and you can see that's because the thunderstorms are going to be shifting to the south and affecting mainly central Georgia, so those areas to the north will get a break late on Saturday. Everybody gets a break on Sunday into early next week with improving conditions, though, so that'll be nice. Tropical weather, looks like good news. Bertha has progressed well to the north, moving into mid-Atlantic and then into the Ohio Valley, not going to affect us at all. And then the 5-day graphical, no threats for our area at all. So that's some good news. We'll take that as well. As far as rainfall totals go, this is just taking in the cumulative from Thursday through Sunday. And overall, the rainfall amounts will range from 1/10 of an inch to a little over an inch, 1.25 over the next 3 days. Highest chances look like they're going to be over the eastern sections and northeast sections, so going along I-16 there. As we head into the eastern parts of our forecast area, looks like the highest rainfall totals there, and then also over the mountains there across Helen, Blairsville, Blue Ridge, those areas could be seeing in excess of an inch through that Sunday as well. So be watching out for that as well. Looking at the 7-day forecast for various locations across the forecast area, we can see we've got the likely rain chances for Friday as the front comes through, but diminishing rain chances Saturday, and then Sunday becoming sunny. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So if you want to do any outdoor activities, it looks like next week might be a good time to do it. So rain chances will be quite low. Temperatures, we do cool off just a little bit behind the front on Sunday. Temperatures in the 70s for some areas, or for most areas of North Georgia anyway, on Monday for highs, but then getting right back into the low and then mid-80s by Wednesday with a warm-up. But again, those rain chances will be low, and so it looks like it's going to be a nice day to do anything outside for those time periods. So let's recap. Chances for showers and thunderstorms continue into the first half of the weekend. The days will be scattered with some storms strong to severe with damaging winds. A little bit more widespread on Friday and Saturday as a cold front sweeps through with additional chances for showers and thunderstorms. Widespread severe weather is not anticipated at this time, and then dry and sunny weather expected for Sunday into the first half of next week.